Good evening. I am Karpakavalli. Our teammate is Abhinaya, Kavita, and Sanjastri. Today I am going to explain about our project garbage classification using deep learning. In this modern world, the garbage waste is increasing in a way that cannot be controlled. The conventional solid waste in the urban area is became a greater concern, and it would be result in environmental pollution and may observable human health if it is not properly managed. It is important to have an advanced intelligent waste management system to manage a variety of waste materials, one of the most important step of waste management in the separation of waste into different components such as derivable or non biodegradable. This process is normally done manually by hand picking by implementing convolutional neural network model, which is used to classify the waste into different groups such as glass, metal, paper, and flash, etc. As the technologies evolve, this classification are done by using the data set gathered around the world. The proposed system is tested on the trace image dataset and is able to achieve accuracy of 80% on the dataset. The separation process waste will be faster and intelligent using the proposed waste material classification system without reducing human involvement. The present way of separation waste and garbage is a hand picking method. Thereby, someone is employed to separate out the different object materials. The person who separates waste is prone to decrease due to the harmful substance in the garbage. With this in mind, it motivates us to develop an automated system which is able to sort the wastage, and the system can take short time to sort the waste and will be more accurate in sorting than the manual way. The garbage classification have two type of data set, namely training set and testing set. The training set data is to train the mission, and test city is supported for valid from the both. Training set has contained the image of cardboard, glass, plastic, paper, metal, and trash. To obtain accuracy, we have more number of accuracy. The training and testing data set are divided into rate of 8 is to 12 to obtain max democracy. Explain our model building of our garbage classification system. First, we are going with the importing our libraries, which is Keras and TensorFlow, and then we are going with the import libraries, which is image data generator, which gives here augmentations of our images, and in another way the different angles of our images for the all images paused to the extreme, and which it has a cardboard, and which is a class indices at 0 1 2 3. We are giving and upload all images from the training set testing set to the X test, and then we are going with the creating our model in sequential. Here we are displaying and we are adding layers to our model for more accuracy, and we are using activation functions for triggering output to the next input, and in output layer we are using softmax activation functions because we have a categorical data. So here we are use softmax, and we are comparing our model with a like u optimizer, which is Adam, and we are running our model with 100 epochs. Here then we are sharing our model for future prediction. Metal. We have put in here, and then we are going to testing our model, and for testing we need to more libraries, which is a load model and input on numpy. So here we go with to call a previously training set, which is a dot file here, and we are uploading our image from the desktop to the image parameter. We are showing what is what we uploaded here, and here we are changing our image to the array and go for the predict class which is the type is trace, which is 5. Here we are showing it is a trace is fine, so our model predict in a good way. Then we go for a glass which is uploaded, and it is predict the current glass. How the Flask model is implemented. How we are in the base environment. Let us activate the tenants for environment. Now change the directory to the location app.v is located and run Python file. Now the HTML file we created in ready to run in the local host 5000, and here comes our websites. The main aim of the system is to devise a category of garbage and derive it accordingly. The detect any type of garbage, and it may be metallic, plastic, or some other the model building, and a data set are explained by group mates. We can see an examples of the prediction types of what types of garbage. It here we can see the result. This type is a paper. Our web application is developed using Spider in Python file, and HTML file is designed using CSS, JavaScript, web app. Choose a button that we see, ask for an image, and allow the user to upload the image from the user system. The upload function takes into consideration the path of image. The image is pre-found, unpredicted, and the output is returned to the screen. The main purpose of this project was ensures the human life are not harmed when dealing with waste, as it is a main source for several diseases. And finally, our teammates are thankful to Smart Insurance in upgrading our knowledge.